in India is celebrated on August 29 to honor the hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. It is a day to recognize the importance of physical activities in our life.
This day encourages people to participate in sports, promoting fitness, teamwork, discipline, healthy lifestyle, and the development of essential life skills. Various sports events and activities are recognized across the country to celebrate this day.
Sports is a pursuit of health. Hippocrates. This simple yet profound thought reminds us that sports are not just about competition, but also about discipline, teamwork, and healthy mind in a healthy body. Good morning to all. Today's special assembly, presented by 5th B, has been both lively and meaningful. On the occasion of National Sports Day, the skit, the dance, and the song together reminded us of the value of games and physical activities in shaping character, building confidence, and keeping us strong in body and mind. I sincerely applaud the efforts of the students of class 5th B. You performed with joy and enthusiasm.